Ako si punong barangay Rami Kagod, sa barangay Lico, Alimodian, Iloilo. Muli nga mo nga barangay, 28 kilometers alin sa town proper. Ang pangabuyan kataho dire, pananom ko mga carrots, pananom ko labanos, cauliflower, broccoli, pipino, katumbal. Dira sila gakuha sang panggastos nila sa pangalaw kag ilabi sa tanan, ida panggastos man nila sila pag eskwela sila kabataan. Ang pinakabudlay lang din rin sa amon kay tama kalayo sa market kag budlay mag-travel ang mga produkto alin diri. Ang amon nga lagyan alin sa town proper padto diri sa amon barangay, tama gyud ka budlay tapos upload pa. Kung mapagwa kami kang produkto namon, mabudlayan kami kay kung ikarga gani sa mga motor o kung mano-manoon lang damo maguba pagabot sa market. Kung mga pasyente hindi na yon maka-travel sandali kay tungod kang amon nga dalan tama ka budlay.
In recent years, the peaceful barangay of Lico has been disrupted. The area has gradually been affected by landslides, threatening lives and properties of the local. This casts a shadow over the community, adding to the hardship of the residents. New Panay Agri-Ventures Development Incorporated, along with our dedicated teams, has adopted Barangay Lico as the recipient of our corporate social responsibility with a team, 35 legendary years nurturing communities with love, care, and commitment. 150 native and fruit-bearing trees are planted in the landslide portion of the barangay. Their roots will serve as a protection against continuous soil erosion.
Lovefeeds, because we care!
For trash cans and cleaning kits are turned over to the community. This will help the community to manage their trash properly. "35 individuals benefited from a medical mission and received free vitamins and over-the-counter medicines. For the children attended our educational activities and received toys and school supplies. "45 individuals attended our hog raising seminar, educating our local on how to maximize their hog production. They also received free feed samples for swine and poultry. 70 families benefited our groceries and clothing package. We also donated pre-loved bags and footwear. Also, in partnership with the Philippine Army, 61st Infantry Battalion, more than 10 locals avail our free haircut. The highlight of the event is the turnover of one sewing machine, 40 pieces thread, oil, 5 boxes of needle, and 1,000 saku bags. It follows by signing of a memorandum of agreement with Lico Farmers Association, which will partner as the supplier of Lovefeeds Eco Bag. The proceeds from the Livelihood program will benefit the housewives who are members of Lico Farmers Association and support the association's funding and projects. This will ensure a sustainable and long-term program for a community.
Sa subong, salamat kami sa nag-sponsor, ilabi na sa Lovefeeds kay isa kami sa napilian nila nga tagaan sang subong mga programa. Ako gini mabulig sa akong muluyo dire sa barangay. Ilabi na sa amon asosasyon. So gani kapasalamat kita ko sa nako sa Lovefeeds nga nabulig dire kag sa tanan-tanan nga nag-participant sa sini nga programa.
Barangay Lico is no longer defined by landslide or hardship. It is a testament to what happens when hands unite, when a company's purpose aligns with the community courage. Here, every tree planted, every child educated, and every skill shared is a step towards a future where the mountains no longer threaten but nurture. This is not charity. This is a partnership, and the story has only just begun.